Understanding a slip of the mind. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, a slip of the mind. Have you ever forgotten something important and then remembered it later? That's exactly what we're talking about today. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase. A slip of the mind refers to a momentary or accidental forgetfulness. It's when you forget something not because it's unimportant, but because of a temporary distraction or oversight. This phrase is often used to explain why someone forgot to do something, like sending an email, calling a friend, or even turning off the lights. It's important to note that this is seen as a common, human error and not a serious fault. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some examples where this phrase might be used. 1. Apologizing for forgetfulness. I'm so sorry I forgot your birthday. It was just a slip of the mind. 2. Explaining a missed task. I was supposed to call you yesterday about the meeting, but it completely slipped my mind. 3. In professional settings, we missed adding that point in the report. It was a slip of the mind. We'll update it right away. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in personal, social, and professional contexts to explain and apologize for a moment of forgetfulness. Using a slip of the mind is quite straightforward. Here are some tips to ensure you're using it correctly. Use it to explain forgetfulness. It's perfect for situations where you've forgotten something accidentally. Combine it with an apology. If you're explaining a mistake due to forgetfulness, it's polite to apologize. Remember the context. This phrase is suitable for informal and semi-formal situations but might be too casual for very formal contexts. Forgetting things is a part of being human, and a slip of the mind is a gentle way to acknowledge this momentary lapse. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, making mistakes is how we learn and grow, especially in language learning. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.